Model, Zeekr 001. Material, automotive-grade die-cast aluminum alloy. Installation method, Mortise and Tenon joint plus modular. Components plus anti-loosening screws. Color, custom color choice. Set, one set includes 4 caliper covers. Step 1, verify compatibility. Ensure the caliper cover matches your model. Step 2, confirm orientation. Rubber tip up, oil line down. Step 3, component specifications. Set includes 2 large covers front wheels, 2 small covers rear wheels. Each cover has 2 modules, front and rear specific.